Hello and welcome again. In this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of mathematical formulas through Excels. Right? In our previous sessions, we have discussed about the basic mathematics formulas by the use of operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide for doing simple mathematics. And this simple mathematics can be used for using few data, and when we have a little bit of calculations, then we can use those mathematical formulas. But if suppose you have a huge amount of data, like if you can see, I just have 10, but imagine you have 10,000 data, you have 20,000 data, more than that, you have many numbers to calculate together. Okay, then that simple mathematics will not work. Then the simple operators might not work in every case. And that's why we have a use of the formulas in Excel. So today in this session, we will discuss about the formula of using addition. Okay, how to do the additions in Excel through Excel formulas and when we have huge amount of data. For using the formulas of Excel, in Excel to make the additions, we have a formula called sum. Okay, we use a formula of sum in Excel to do the calculations, means additions. Example, if you see, I have some sales employees and I have some quantities which are sold in every month. Okay, quantities which is sold in each and every month by the person, means projector unit. Now I want to calculate these all together, that for every salesperson, what is the total amount of sales they bring in a whole year. Okay, or maybe I need a month-wise calculations, either person-wise for entire year or for month-wise for every person. It can be anything, right, to perform it. Now if in this case, if you are going to use it as we have done in last case, like the January data plus Feb data plus March data plus June data, it will take enough amount of time, because I am not talking about 12 month, I may be talking about 36 months, I may be talking about more than any number of years, maybe 1,000 years, 1,000 of number of days I want to calculate together date wise. So in this case, if you want to use it, there we have to use equal sum. Sum is the user formula, as we said. Sum. Now, when you write sum, or even if you write sum as, you will get some suggestions. You write SU, you will get some more suggestions. You can see sum. So either you will remember the formula or you will get the suggestions here, like SUM, sum formula. One option, you can add a bracket here, right? Bracket is mandatory when you're using some Excel formulas, then bracket is again mandatory part. Equal, write the formula name and a bracket. Okay, equal, write the formula name and bracket, that is mandatory part. If you are not writing bracket, then simply double click on the formulas. Automatically it will write a bracket. Now you can see that it asks me sum and ask me some number. Very easy way to learn Excel and to work on Excel is to understand the formulas. Understand formulas like number 1, number 2, number 3, something like that. So when they're asking for number 1, number 2, number 3, it means they're asking you a range of number that you can select from January. When you're selecting a range, always select from middle. Do not select from the corner or last. From here till whole month, all the years you can select till December, means D3 to O3, and then close the bracket and then enter. It will provide you the sum. I repeat again, equal to sum. You can put a bracket here and select the entire range of month or whatever you want, and then simply close the bracket and enter. It will provide you. And if you have done one, either you can drag it like this, or you can simply double click. Imagine you have 10,000 data, you cannot be able to drag it. It's not good to drag. It's simply, in this case, double click. Double click will help you to perform this total. Like this is one way. Similar here, we will do equal to sum and select all the persons for this particular month, enter, and then you can drag it through this way. So it will show you the full calculations, like month-wise calculations, month-wise calculations, and the person-wise calculations. Whole. If you select all together from here to here, you can see 6740, 6704 is your total. So it verifies that our calculation is correct. So this is a very easy way to use formula. If you want little bit more faster to perform the same thing, then we have some automatic function. What we can do, we can select all these things here. Always try to select one more extra cell. Then in home tab, you have a function of AutoSum. We have many formulas like AutoSum, AutoAverage, something like that. Let's say I'm going to use AutoSum only, some same formula. So automatically Excel will apply the formula of AutoSum. And once you have done, enter it, drag it. Same, you can select all, okay, and make AutoSum, okay, and then you can drag it like this way. Also you can do, okay, you want to do much faster, the same calculation you want to do more faster, you can select all the entire area, just extra rows, one extra row and one extra column, and make AutoSum. Every data is calculated. You want to do much more faster than that, okay, and maybe you're not on your home tab, maybe you're on draw tab or in page layout formulas, you were somewhere else. Simply in that case, you select entire data and press alt equal. Alt equal is the shortcut for making sum. Alt equal and everything is done. So this way you can perform the easy calculations in Excel. Easy way you can perform all types of calculations. All types of calculations you can perform in Excel. Okay, to calculate any number. And as I say, when we any number, it can be thousands and thousands of data will be there. Easily you can make it just by using AutoSum or by using some formulas. Even suppose if I want entire, you can select sum. And it's not about rows and column only. You can select the entire area to select. Full I want. So sum, and it will show you the same 6704. Okay, so it's a very easy way to use your sum formula, which is used to calculate, means to add many numbers. And when I say many numbers, there is no limit. Means 100,000. Excel by default have more than 100,000 rows, so it will calculate those things just like a single click. Right? So I hope you understand this concepts. It's a very easy topic. Like, we'll see again for the next topic. Till then, thank you.